Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change your Bungie.net password. So first of all, here you'll need to get to the website. So open any browser and simply get to the website by simply typing Bungie.net. Here you can see this is the website, and in here you can see sign in options. Simply hover your mouse around it, and now here you'll have to now select which platform you want to log in from. So if you have your PlayStation account linked, you can do that. Or if you have your Xbox or Epic or Steam or Twitch, you can simply do that. So if I simply click on a PlayStation option, here we'll get to this particular link right here, from which I'll have to now sign into my PlayStation account, right? Here, so if you want to change your Bungie.net account password, you will have to change the password of your PlayStation account. So if you have your PlayStation account linked, then you need to change the password of PlayStation account. And just like that, you will be able to change the password of your Bungie.net too. Since we cannot directly log into our Bungie.net and we need a specific platform, you will need to change the password of that specific platform. So if I have my Steam account, I will click on it, and in here I will need to log into my Steam account just like this. And in here, if you have forgotten your password of your Steam account, you'll need to reset it in your Steam account. And like that, you can also reset the password of your Bungie.net. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.